Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about our Wednesday update for the 14th of October. I hope you are all staying happy and healthy and having a wonderful asynchronous Wednesday. You should be silently reading for 30 minutes today and logging that in our log that is in the pink folder at the top of Schoology. Along with that, we have our Wednesday creative writing. That closes at midnight tonight, so please make sure you complete that. Not only so that way you get your points, but also so that way you are marked as present for today as far as attendance. We also need to complete the Fairy Handbag Literary Lens and Theme Chart that is in week 7's folder at the bottom. And then check for missing assignments. So if you notice any irregularities in the gradebook, maybe something's not transferring right between Schoology and Home Access. I checked it this morning and everything looked okay to me. However, since you guys access it a little bit differently than I do, maybe it's not looking right on your end, and I want to make sure that we can fix any issues that are popping up. Alrighty, so let's look at our classroom real quick. We are in week 7, so we're going to come down to week 7, open this up, and if we look, there is our Wednesday creative writing. This must be completed by midnight, and then our Fairy Handbag materials are at the bottom, and the Literary Lens and Theme Chart is right here at the very, very bottom of week 7's folder. So make sure that you complete both of those items before midnight tonight. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday and I will talk to you on Thursday. Bye.